I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon around 50, highs warm into the low to mid-50s tomorrow, the mid-50s to the low 60s on Thursday. Occasional rain and snow chances are trending lower for late Thursday night into Saturday, with low pressure tracking across the southern plains. Precipitation amounts, if any, expected to range from a trace to a tenth of an inch. Highs Sunday rebound to around 60 before widespread highs in the 60s take hold for President's Day. There are no signs of cold weather in our long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures will remain likely Sunday through February 23rd for Nebraska, Kansas, as well as the central and eastern U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation predicted to be near normal to slightly above normal Sunday through February 23rd. Southern Kansas, though, indicated to be drier than normal the early half of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include warmer temperatures for the plains, active weather in the south, scattered rain across Argentina, and rain becoming spotty in central Brazil. Late this week through the weekend, as storm tracks across the southern U.S., with an influx of Gulf and Atlantic moisture, precipitation could total 1 to 3 inches or more from the southern half of the plains to the mid and southern Atlantic states. Wintry precipitation should be limited to higher elevations of the western U.S., portions of the central and southern plains, and possibly the northern mid-Atlantic. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days from the northern plains into the upper Great Lakes. Cold air continues to retreat across the Great Lakes and northeast U.S. as much of the U.S. experiences warmer than normal weather. Late next week, another storm may track across the U.S. Temperatures are mostly mild or cool in the western U.S., while the central and east remain warm. Across Argentina, several rounds of rain this week are more likely across the north and central, while the drier areas of the south continue to see less rain. The active weather continues next week in Argentina, but the rains are too late for corn and soybeans that are more advanced. Towards central Brazil, recent heavy rain favors the last remaining filling soybeans, but is a little troublesome for transport and field work as they switch from soybeans to second crop corn. Rain becomes lighter for central Brazil this weekend into early next week, which is a concern for low soil moisture in many areas for the upcoming second crop corn. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.